Do you still use the old school way? Haven't you got sick of this too much amount of paper yet? And you revise attendance and leave report sheets every day, don't you? No way. Don't tell me that you haven't heard of Availo yet. Availo is just about providing convenience for you and your employees. Surely you don't want to be in such inconvenience anymore, because you can fully control the system and monitor staff attendance and leave while you sit back. All what you have to do is just logging into the system through your web browser. Then you will be able to revise staff logging requests and check their data. Since Availo employs facial and voice recognition feature, you can make sure of photo and voice quality and match them with employees' identity. Also, you can set up all location devices and link them directly to the departments with a manner that suits your job general structure. Through department screen, you can add, edit, activate, and link the users to the department. Also, you can stop it with a single click. Moreover, you can control your employees' working hours. Besides, you can create work hours plan for a certain group of employees or for some specific department. Availo also provides you with a list of reports, which provide you with all available data of attendances and leaves, according to each report respective criteria, of course. What are you waiting for? Stop wasting more time and effort as ever. Availo seeks your comfort.